All right, boys. Simonelli indulging himself in a little bit of NT hockey. This is the first box from this case that we've opened, so anything is possible. Anything. There it is. Oh boy. We've got a big book. We've got a big book. Yeah, buddy. Alright, hold on just a second. I gotta get these plates off the back without cutting my fingers. Alright. So, that looks like a good one. Couturier, Lofton, Reed, and McGinn quad, 1 of 1. And, is that Moose? The Moose! Mark Messier. Alright, base card of Pecorine to 199. Next, your rookie patch autograph, Michael Bournival to 99, 91 of 99, 3-color rookie patch autograph. That set is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to save your book for now. Next, Colossal Jersey autograph, very nice. Jonathan Quick, I believe numbered to 25. Jonathan Quick. Next, luckily he didn't sign this card, so you're still good. Nicholas Jensen. Numbered to 50. Next. Squeeze. Max Talbot. Colossal Jumbo, number to 25, and it's got like it's 2-color. It goes white. It's right there. But kind of a cool looking jersey on that one. Maxime Talbot. And next, here's a cool one. Knights in the City, Wendell Clark and Jamie Devane, number to 99. Next, a Contenders update. Look at that card. 34 of 50, Logan Couture and Tomas Hertl. NHL Inc. duel number 34 of 50. Contenders update. That's a bonus hit. That's a pretty good bonus. Some Hertl action. And your last bonus hit. Oh! How about a nice little Brad Richards, Martin St. Louis dual autograph bonus? Well, that was perfect. Nice. All right, here we go. Number 23 of 25. I guess it goes right here. Nick Bonino. Corey Perry. Oh, look at that patch. And Andrew Cagliano. Triple patch booklet. Filthy 5-color on the Cagliano. So Nick, there you have it, sir. That's a sick one.